Shares of value innerwear companies Lux Industries, Rupa & Company and Dollar Industries have grown in high double digits year to date, with Lux outperforming its peers with a surge of more than 100% since the start of this year. A look at the performance of these stocks in 2021 indicates that investors are betting on traditional players operating in the mid to top premium product segments with greater ease than before. While Page Industries stock grew only 11% year to date, Lux on the other hand was up a stellar 104%. The recent entry of renowned hedge fund manager Jeremy Grantham as well as Abacus Assets, collectively buying 2.4% stake in Rupa & Company, is reflective of the renewed interest in a space that's remained dormant over the past 2 years due to a crushing slowdown in domestic consumption. The second wave of COVID-19 led to lockdowns, restrictions by various states for 4 to 6 weeks, which affected operations and demand for various consumer goods. However, innerwear being a need-based consumption is unlikely to see material impact. Companies in their commentary have indicated that with easing of restrictions by a few states from May end onward, they have witnessed a strong comeback in demand. Both Dollar and Rupa have guided for at least 13 to 15% top-line growth in FY22. Innerwear players posted growth in FY21, wherein demand recovered in Q2 of FY21 itself once the lockdown restrictions were lifted. The trend of healthy earnings growth is likely to continue for both Dollar and Rupa. Post the second wave, unorganized players are likely to face liquidity issues which could impact their business. The pandemic is expected to accelerate the shift from unorganized to organized players. As per industry estimates, unorganized players contribute about 40 to 50% of the total innerwear industry, thus providing significant potential for market share gains by organized segment. First wave of COVID-19 led to a significant surge in the working capital. Both Dollar and Rupa reduced the working capital in FY21 by rationalizing inventory and improving credit terms. Dollar's working capital days reduced from 201 in FY20 to 186 in FY21, while Rupa reduced it from 219 days in FY20 to 165 days in FY21. Both the companies are targeting to further reduce the working capital requirement by 10% in the current fiscal. The innerwear market in India was worth 31,000 crores back in 2018 and is expected to grow at an annual rate of 11% to reach 89,700 by the end of 2028. In the past, innerwear was depicted as a mere essential commodity, but over the last few years, it has transformed itself into a fashion statement. Players are now focused on the width of the product range. In fact, Indian listed companies are increasing focus on segments like women's innerwear, athleisure and kidswear, which have seen a huge surge in demand of late. Page, Dollar and Rupa all have talked about a jump in demand. In fact, Rupa and Dollar plan to introduce new products in the women's category, which are expected to grow at a faster pace compared to the overall innerwear segment. These players are also extensively working on expanding their reach and distribution. Cotton and yarn prices increased sharply from second half of FY21 by about 30 to 35%. To combat the surge, Dollar, Lux and Rupa undertook price hikes between December to March period. Since raw material prices have stabilized, they are no longer an area of concern. As far as valuations of these companies go, at the current price, Dollar is trading at 16x, while Rupa and Lux are trading close to 18x of FY23 projected earnings, which are lower than their long-term historical average multiples.